Proper brushing is essential to healthy hair and scalps. And what better way to nourish your hair than with Morrocco Method's line of Boar Bristle hair brushes, allowing you to find the right brush for your hair type. The pure Boar Bristle brush is designed for normal to sensitive hair and scalp types, and is perfect for spreading sebaceous oils from the roots to the tips of your hair. Pure Boar Bristle brushes are the best way to naturally condition hair, while improving texture and shine. Available in large and small sizes, this brush features 9 rings of pure boar bristle tufts within a pneumatic rubber cushion that contours to the shape of your scalp. The pure boar bristle brush is not only a styling tool, but is actually a form of dry shampooing, responsible for cleansing your hair and scalp while distributing your natural oils. We recommend that you brush your hair 3 times a day for optimum distribution of sebum and to help remove foreign chemicals and particles. You can also use this brush on your children's hair and pets' fur, as well as on your arms and legs to remove dead skin cells and further stimulate blood flow to your skin and lymphatic system. Keep the large brush in your home and bring the small brush along for on-the-go hair care.